यकीन है मुझे अपने हुनर पर गुरूर का नहीं कोई नामो निशान। यकीन है मुझे अपने हुनर पर गुरूर का नहीं कोई नामो निशान। आसमां को छूने की ख्वाहिश है, पर जमी से भी जुड़ी है पहचान। हौसला हो बुलंद तो रास्ते खुद मिल जाते हैं। हौसला हो बुलंद तो रास्ते खुद मिल जाते हैं, पर अति आत्मविश्वास से अक्सर सपने चकनाचूर हो जाते हैं। Good morning and welcome back, friends, to another episode of Money Mindset Mastery with Vikas Joshi. Friends, in the pursuit of financial freedom and success, our mindset towards money is crucial. Money Mindset Mastery with Vikas Joshi transforms how you perceive and manage your finances, shifting from a restricted mindset towards growth mindset. This emphasizes moving from merely accumulating wealth to achieving long-term financial stability and security. By overcoming limiting beliefs and fostering a proactive approach to wealth creation, you will gain insight in the strategies for sustainable financial growth. This transformative journey unlocks your full financial potential, leading to a more empowered and financially secure future. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपको वित्तीय स्वतंत्रता, समृद्धि और संपन्नता की दिशा में मार्गदर्शन कराती है. ये एक कोशिश है. This is an effort so that we move on towards our financial stability, towards our financial growth, towards our wealth creation. Friends, we have set our goals. We have been approaching our goals. We have set our path and we have been walking on the path. In the process, we learned or we made ourselves self-aware of our strengths and weaknesses. So also, we learned how to set the goals and how to achieve them, the steps to achieve them. And we came across an interesting part of limiting beliefs. We addressed around about say 64 or 65 limiting beliefs. जो भी पॉसिबल मेरे दिमाग में आया कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है वाला भी मैंने इंक्लूड कर दिया. All those limiting beliefs are been addressed. Though I will be having another 2 sessions on major limiting beliefs जो कॉमन नजर आते हैं and the important ones which have to be addressed, I need that I should put them up to you so that the limiting beliefs can be overcome at a faster rate. But now the interesting part is from the last time episode I did state that there are other beliefs that lift you up yet become barriers for your growth. These are your convictions that initially empower and motivate you, but when taken to extreme or left unattended, will hinder your progress and development. So, empowerment to obstruction, the journey of unchecked beliefs. That is what we are addressing now, friends. So, today's point is confidence and overconfidence. There is a very thin line distinguishing between them. Confidence, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मुझे सब कुछ आता है. You see the difference. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, confidence. मुझे सब कुछ आता है, I know everything. Don't worry. Overconfidence. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, confidence. ये thin line, ये जो मुझे सब कुछ आता है, this is what you have to avoid, because this will lead you to stagnancy, to zero. क्योंकि अभी जो अचीवमेंट आपने किया वो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस के ऊपर किया, और जरा सा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड यू आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स नादेर, नीचे ही जा रहे हो. So overconfidence is a belief characterized by an excessive unwarranted faith in one's abilities, knowledge or judgments. वही तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे को आता है, मैं सब कुछ हूँ. ये चेंज ओवर अलाउड नहीं है. प्लीज डू नॉट मूव ऑन फ्रॉम कॉन्फिडेंस टू ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. चेक इट आउट. नहीं करना है हमको. It manifests as a sense of invincibility and superiority that can lead you to overestimate your capabilities and underestimate risk and challenges. क्या होता है कि जब हम ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाते हैं हम इग्नोरेंट बन जाते हैं एंड वी स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग एवरीथिंग. Now we start ignoring the challenges also, risk also, assuming as if you are able or capable of overcoming all the challenges. That is where we are going wrong, friends. कॉन्फिडेंस था तब तक अच्छा था, लेकिन इग्नोरेंस आ गया, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, अहम आ गया, मैं ये कर सकता हूं, मेरे पास सब कुछ है, ये आपको ले डूबेगा. So overconfidence can hinder personal and professional growth by blinding individuals to their limitations, making them prone to errors in judgment and decision making, and hindering their receptiveness to feedback and learning. जब ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है आदमी, तो हम फीडबैक लेना भी मुनासिब नहीं समझते, नहीं चाहिए हम. I don't require any advices. I am the one who can decide and I am the one who can take the judgment. But ये ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस is making you blind towards the facts, towards your own limitations. हर आदमी सर्वसंपन्न नहीं होता है. He has to accept this. Hence, don't move towards overconfidence. Now, ये overconfidence past success की वजह से आ रहा है. अभी तक जो भी आपने किया सक्सेसफुल था, मैंने जो भी हाथ डाला मैंने सक्सेसफुल किया, जो भी मैंने गोल डिसाइड किया मैंने कर दिया, करेक्ट, दैट इज कॉन्फिडेंस. बट सब कुछ आता है, मैंने अभी तक करके दिखाया है, मैं सब कुछ कर ही सकता हूं, मैं हूं, आई एम द वन. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. So confidence can escalate into overconfidence when you rely too heavily on your past successes as indicators for future performance. Precaution: stay grounded by acknowledging that past successes do not guarantee future outcomes. Continuously assess your current circumstances and adapt strategies accordingly. Don't get carried away by the successes. They cannot decide your future success. वो सक्सेस अचीव हो गया, that was the confidence that you have to maintain so that you can step in the same confidence to achieve another goal. Next is, if you don't take feedback, you become ignorant to everything. Then the limitations that you are not being brought up to you. You are ignorant. So without constructive feedback or external validation, confidence can veer into overconfidence. Seek feedback from others, trusted sources, to gain perspective in your performance and areas of improvement. That is necessary. Once you get the feedback, improve accordingly. Use the feedback as a stepping stone towards your success. Don't just ignore everything, considering you yourself as all knowledgeable person. Third is the selective memory. Remembering only past successes and filtering out failures can infiltrate confidence beyond reasonable bounds. Maintain an accurate and balanced perspective by acknowledging both successes and failures. ये होता है ना, अरे वो तो मैंने कर ही दिया था, मैं ही था, मैं सक्सेसफुल हो गया. Now we are selective in not recognizing the failures from where we learned to be successful. That was confidence. But now you are selectively ignoring that part. Overconfidence has taken over. Seek feedback. Don't depend on your memory of successes. Memory ऐसी होती है, हमने कितना किया था वही याद है, कैसे किया वो तो जाने दो नहीं. You have to remember that also, because those failures, those setbacks from where you learned and jumped back to achieve the goals are also equally important to remember, because that was confidence to jump back. But ignoring this is overconfidence. That is pulling you down now, friends. So, overestimation of abilities. Confidence may transform into overconfidence when you overestimate your skills or knowledge in a particular domain. Conduct regular self-assessments to evaluate your abilities objectively. See, मुझे आता है, मैंने किया है, अब मुझे पता है. Now not revisiting that is creating overconfidence in that. Whenever you are decided the goal, please don't become overconfident. मुझे आता है, नहीं नहीं, तुम्हें आता है ये सही है. Revisit that. क्या तुम्हें क्या आता है, इवेल्युएट करो. आज की तारीख में क्या वो सही है, ये सोचो. आता है करके छोड़ दोगे, that will convert into overconfidence, and then you will be facing many challenges which you will not be able to overcome because of your overconfidence. That is what we have to attain, friends. Next is lack of preparation. That is a common thing. मुझे आता है, अभी मुझे कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अरे you have to look at it. The circumstances change, times have changed, time has passed, many things have changed. The challenges may be different. You should be prepared for everything. Let it be the repetitive process, but you have to minutely prepare yourself so that you achieve your goals. Otherwise, मुझे आता है, मैं मालूम है मैंने पिछले टाइम किया था, ये जो पिछले टाइम किया था, you are always living in the past. मैंने किया हुआ है. What about the present? You are not preparing for the present. Future क्या होने वाला है फिर? Failure. If you are not preparing for future today, if you are not preparing your today, then you are not preparing your future. You have to prepare today, every time. मतलब आपको प्रिपरेशन करना ही है. Don't just be in the yesterday. मैंने वो किया हुआ है, मुझे याद है. नहीं नहीं, याद है नहीं. Just revise, revisit the thing. Go through the minute details with the changed circumstances, and you will realize that there were many things that needed your attention, and you started attending to them. The confidence started growing again. If not, you were relying on the overconfidence you have, so guaranteeing your failure in future. So optimism, excess optimism about future outcomes can lead to overconfidence. ना बोलते हैं ये पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, ऑप्टिमिज्म, ऑप्टिमिस्टिकली देखो. बहुत सारा ऑप्टिमिस्टिकली देख लिया, लेकिन किया कुछ नहीं. We didn't work the plan, but we had the optimistic approach or excessive optimism that led to overconfidence. ठीक है, ये इतना तो हो जाएगा, ये तो उतना मिलना ही चाहिए. तो हो. Did you prepare for that? No. So excess optimism has changed your confidence to your overconfidence, and there where you are failing, failing, sir. Social comparison, comparing yourself favorably to others can inflate the confidence. अरे उससे तो मैं अच्छा ही हूँ, मैंने देखा है उसका प्रिपरेशन कितना है. I know it very well. You're comparing unnecessarily and inflating your confidence. When the confidence is inflated, it goes into overconfidence, and there you fail. उससे कंपेयर करने की क्या जरूरत है? You learn from your past, prepare for your today, your future is secured. Is the simple step. कर क्या रहे हो? अरे वो he cannot be just competitor for me. I am the one who is knowledgeable. मेरा पास भी ऐसा था, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मुझे मालूम है. हाँ, ये सब ठीक है. That is confidence. But if you are not preparing for today and just merely comparing with other with this confidence, now the very subject has now changed into overconfidence. आपने खुद ने कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस किया और दूसरे को अपनी रेस में ला दिया. वो नहीं चाहता था, लेकिन उसे आपने बुला दिया. मैं तेरे से कंपेयर करूं, तेरे से अच्छा हूं मैं. Now automatically the overconfidence crept in. Now this overconfidence is going to pull you down. It always does. So you have to be prepared, friends. Emotionally also, financially also. Emotional, matlab, you should be emotionally involved in your activities. The excitement should not be shown to everybody. I do agree that there is an excitement that when you achieve a success, you are excited to tell others. You are excited that you have done a good thing. And now you are banking on that for other success. But this excitement, if increased or limitless or not checked, it moves on to overconfidence. Now it will pull you down. Now the excitement will come along stress and you will be pulled down automatically. So friends, control these things because जब तक सक्सेस था तब तो आपकी एक्साइटमेंट सही थी, लेकिन उसी के बल पे कन्वर्ट कर दिया उसको अपने ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस पे, तो फेलियर विल बी गारंटेड। इसीलिए मैंने कहा यकीन है मुझे अपने हुनर पर गुरूर का नहीं कोई नामो निशान। ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए। तो यकीन है मुझे अपने हुनर पर गुरूर का नहीं कोई नामो निशान। आसमां को छूने की ख्वाहिश है, आसमां को छूने की ख्वाहिश है, पर जमीन से भी जुड़ी है पहचान। हौसला हो बुलंद तो रास्ते खुद मिल जाते हैं, हौसला हो बुलंद तो रास्ते खुद मिल जाते हैं, पर अति आत्मविश्वास से अक्सर सपने चकनाचूर हो जाते हैं। Take care, friends. I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Money Mindset Mastery with Vikas Joshi. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the day, enjoy the life, friends. It is a one time activity. Do enjoy.